In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Cash App card for Apple Pay. By the end, you'll have your Cash App card ready to use with Apple Pay, and I'll walk you through a simple path plus a reliable backup method if you don't see the usual option. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone and sign in. On the bottom of the screen, look for the card icon, that's the card tab, and tap it. And this is where your Cash Card details live, and it's the starting point for connecting to Apple Pay. Before you add anything, make sure your Cash Card is activated. If you don't have a card yet, request one in Cash App and wait for it to arrive. Once you receive it, activate it in the app. You won't be able to add the card to Apple Pay until it's fully activated, so it's worth confirming that now. A quick tip, keeping your app updated and your internet connection stable can help avoid verification hiccups. Now, at the top of the card tab, tap Add Card to Apple Pay. This will hand you off to Apple's Setup Flow Inside Wallet. If you see this option, you're in great shape. Just proceed. If that option doesn't appear for you, there's an alternative route. Tap your profile icon in Cash App, go to Support, and use the search bar to look up Apple Pay. Open the related article you find there and use the link or button inside that article to start the setup. It leads to the same Apple Pay connection, just from a different doorway. From here, follow the prompts on screen. Tap Next when asked, review and accept the terms and conditions, and allow a moment for verification. Apple and Cash App will securely confirm your card details. This part may take a few seconds, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Once approved, your Cash App card will appear in Apple Pay, ready to use in Wallet for tap to pay and online purchases. At this point, you can choose whether to make it your default payment card. That's optional, but if you use your Cash Card most often, setting it as default can save time at checkout. Quick recap, open Cash App, go to the Card tab, tap Add Card to Apple Pay, follow the prompts and confirm the setup. If you don't see the add option, use the profile icon, support, and the Apple Pay article to start the process. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.